Ooh, I'm hot. Hey days, welcome back to my days. As you can see, I'm in a car waiting on my reverend and my aunts and the other members of the church because I'm their designated driver to go on a ladies retreat. I swear I don't like being alone anywhere because in here just looks sketchy, you know. Why are these things always stuck to the back? So they told me to be here at 9:15, right? It's way past 9:15. I got here exactly 9:15 and no one's here yet. A few hours later, we have arrived at our destination. Where am I at?
Them sell the sweet potato pudding. Seriously?
Yeah, the water is nice. Crab. If they can't see them properly.
Yeah, like them camouflage with the stone.
Yeah. See here. I would take one and carry him home. Keep him as a pet.
Keep crab as a pet?
Of course. I like keeping animals as pets. In a beautiful step.
Step every day, work a step, yard a step, and if I come vacation and I step again.
Yeah,
So I am Sister Flash.
some water in the freezer. Because I'm dripping wet and I know other people are going to want ice cold water. Daddy, they never guess what happened.
Liar. Liar. Not that thing happened, Daddy.
We're rich. Of course, people did want to drive with me. I'm a professional driver.
Of course, we give you an A++.
A++++.
See, they never grade me.
Here, a 2 wherever drive slow.
So we finished eating and I'm taking a nap here. Then we're going to do recreational activities, which is like walk up and down. The food was lovely. They're tidying up now. I should probably help them. Or should I?
Everything.
Yes, darling. It's a pleasure.
Friendly looking up. All these years she had the coffee machine and she wouldn't even open it up. So I opened up the coffee machine. Anybody know how to use a coffee machine? Neither do I. The instruction manual is here. Now we're taking a walk around here. What? We're finished walking and now I'm sitting here. This is a vibe. So I'm in the room that we'll be staying for the next 3 days and it's quite nice in here. Let me give you a quick room tour. My bed. Sister Flash's bed. Bathroom. Another bed. Fan. Dresser. TV. Closet. Door. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go downstairs and eat my dinner. And then after dinner we'll be watching a movie. tell you the name of the movie later, but this is a movie, a Christian movie that I've never watched before, which is really rare because I'm a sucker for Christian movies because there's always a story to tell, whether it be something inwards or physical, you know, whatever. Words are not words in. But anyways, I just really like Christian movies and we're gonna watch one tonight, so I'm gonna do that. Let's go. The Wi-Fi is connected to the TV, so they're going to stop it. So, but I'm editing YouTube videos while we're doing it.
I must admit that never before has such a
The whole show upset me, to be honest. We have prayed, did devotion, and now we're going to bed. And here's empty, and I will be bathing in her. So, see you guys when I'm changing to my nightgown and going to bed. The next morning! So my stupid ass went to bed last night with my teeth whitening strips on, and now my teeth are sensitive. I briefly recall waking up in the middle of the night to take them out, but now my teeth feel like there's an earthquake going on inside my mouth. I feel like if I touch them together, they're gonna shatter like glass. Just went down to eat breakfast. My teeth are still aching. But we're gonna get ready and go to church. Just finished getting ready. And I'm wearing slippers.
You are worthy to be praised.
It's a nice view out here, so I like it. It's cool. Out here cool? Out here feel hot to me. This is about as close as to water as I will get because I'm not a water person. Which is funny because I'm an Aquarius. Aquarium, same difference. But I was not meant for the water. The water was not meant for me. I tried swimming lessons, you saw how that went. It's not my stuff. My bracelet just dropped into a hook and cranny here. Look. Can you see? Hold on. It's so dark down there, I can't even. Let me see if I can get it. Get it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got it. Oh my god. You know what? Let's not put it on. I was so scared. I got this bracelet from my Mima just the other day and it keeps falling off my hand. Looks, I'm not wearing it. This there's no outside again. Anyways. That's what I was saying. Before I had to get down on my hands and my knees to save this bracelet from out the water. It's a good thing that it dropped in between the rocks. Because I was like, if there was no rocks under there and you just fell into the water. It's so peaceful out here. And I can be alone with my thoughts, which are absolutely no thoughts. Because I have no thoughts. So today has been a good day. And we're leaving tomorrow morning. This water acting like it wants to splash me, and I'm not playing these games with it. Where is this accent coming from? I like it. I sound fancy, I sound bougie. No, I do not. This is the type of day I like. Not too sunny, not too bright, and not too dark. Just right there in between. This way looks cool though. I am back in my bed and I'm going to currently lay down until someone comes and disturbs me. And tomorrow I'll go in the water. not really, but I'll go as close to the water as I can get without wetting up my dress. Can't wait to be back home tomorrow, even though I have assignments due. But let's leave that for another day and enjoy today. So I'll see you guys later. Let me turn off the light switch because I don't encourage being in the light so long. It's 8 o'clock and Rev says she wants to meet down at the main house, which is right there. So I'm gonna head down there now. They're playing dominoes. So I'm like, you know what, let me walk on this path for like the first time since I've been here. Because this path is made for me. I go this way and then I come this way. Look how funny this path is, like so crazy. And after I go this way, I go this way again. Weird ass path. I can't dance the prayer chorus. I'm grateful that I don't know how to dance. Ready? Into my heart.
Come on.
Into my heart. Come into my heart.
Lord Jesus, come in to stay. Come in, I pray. You done?
Time is now 9:57.
The pickings, no one the pickings there. Next year run me.
They're playing music over yonder. I don't know where's yonder. I'm carrying a tea biscuit, my phone, my charger, my battery charger, my camera, and my bracelet. Sister Flash is coming. The next morning. Good morning. As you can see, my face is falling, and I am now heading out because I guess this morning they're going to the beach. I am late. Very late, but this is what it is. So let me show you guys my outfit real quick because I like this dress. I love this dress. Maybe it's because it's blue. Blue is not my favorite color. It's close to it. So this is a dress. Wow, I feel like a princess. I've been getting more into dresses lately. I'm not sure if it's a good decision or a bad decision, but I think they look nice on me, especially the ones that I've chosen to wear. So now I'm gonna head downstairs and see what they are up to because I'm assuming they're making breakfast and getting ready to go. We just stopped to take some pictures. I did not take any pictures. Not my type. Not my type of settings. I like being near the bushes. We're getting permission to walk through here to go to the beach. We are approaching the place I don't like the most. Water. Do you hear that? Water. Water. It's a shell moving. Looky. Is it time I go into the water? Is it time for the moment of truth where I go into the water? Yes it is. But yes, I'm standing in the water. If you didn't notice, I'm standing in the water. Can go as far as I want in a dress. No need for bath suits. So I was in the water and I discovered this thing. Someone tell me what it is. But I was using it. Hold on. I was using it. I was doing this. Say bye. Everybody hobbling. But I need them at Earth to know. My water has turned to ice. Well, that's what I get to put it in the freezer. Well, let me go up to my room, pee, bathe, and get ready to rumble. And now we're all set and ready to go. Bye bye. My shoes. Give a little reward.
Yeah, give some of the other.
So, smell nice?
It's nude color. It's not the light.
As long as it's not seat. So by the time I look, I like it up. So I rest my eye then. I'm not sleeping, I'm just rest my eye.
Mission ministry and night. Just take up one. Put back one.
And now we'll be on our way.
A few hours later.
I'm waiting on my dad to come out so me and him can drive to my older brother's house. And from there we can give my older brother his car and then we use this car and drive go home. So we're driving now. Dad has arrived, he's turning his car and then I'm going to follow him, go all the way back. So let's get it. Okay. It's up a little bit, but now we're getting gas for the return engine of my brother's car. And then we're heading back out. I'm listening to 80s. My whole 80s playlist is bouncing right now. To get it bouncy. I'm not funny. Yes, back home we go.
Shaday.